I have the one and only 24 karat gold Labubu. Now, this is real 24 karat gold.
Po sa lahat ng nandito sa Lucky Chinatown Mall. Ako po si Janine Gutierrez. I'm a proud WWF Philippines National Youth Ambassador, and I would like to officially welcome you all to Panda on the Moves. I pledge to help build a future where people and nature thrive together.
People po na nandito sa harap na interested maging member ng WWF and to support our program. So,
the Panda on the Move. Panda on the Move is WWF Philippines' new campaign that brings conservation efforts closer to Filipinos. So you can volunteer, you can be a monthly donor, and it's so easy.
That is going to help along the process. As I've seen through
the important work that this organization does. And to walk us through this campaign and what it means, may sumisilig din na sa pangmug sa akin. Madaming friends si Chichi today, and hopefully we can all be new friends with all of you na nag-shopping dito today sa Lucky Chinatown. So going back, ano nga ba ang Panda on the Move? To walk us through this campaign,